Now the first step in making a picture frame is to calculate the length of the pieces. Now you've got two options here really. You could frame it so the print is nice and tight, or alternatively you can have a 10mm shadow line all the way around. Now if you go with the shadow line option, it takes a little bit of maths to work out these pieces, so stay with me. Now to go with this option, what you need to do is measure the width of the frame plus 20mm, that's 2 times 10mm shadow line, plus another 90mm, and that's 2 times the frame width. Now for the tighter version, it's a little bit simpler. All you need to do is measure the width of the print, add a couple of millimetres, plus 90mm for the width of the frame. Now I've cut all my pieces to length, and each angle here is 45 degrees. So set your miter saw to 45, and that'll produce a beautiful right angle corner. Now it's a good idea to sand all these surfaces first. It's a lot easier to do it now than if you do it after you glued up the frame. You need to sand this top edge here and inside the rebate, and any of these sharp edges, lose those as well. Now when it comes to gluing up, it's a good idea on the end grain is to apply some PVA to the end grain and then rub it in and let it soak in. That seals up all the fibres. And then apply a little bit more, you're right to glue it up. And remember, don't use too much glue, it's just too much mess. Now a good tip here is to just cut some small offcuts to give us that 10mm shadow line. Remember our frame was 10mm thick along here. So we'll use those as spacers and we'll just flip it over. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? All we need to do now is just hang it on the wall and we're done.